Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Say hi! Justin! Justin! Yeah. Wow, the music is so loud. Okay, yeah. Join in the line! Okay, this girl is not invited. You can go out of here. Bye! Let's go here, let's go here. Three. You need to go quick or else someone will steal the place. Go! Yeah! We're in the game, everybody! What? Wait, I'm still loading in. I'm still loading it. I'm in the game, but I help. It's so laggy on my phone. You know, I only got the first class available since I don't have enough diamonds. Yeah. Where are you? Oh, there you are. What? Put it in the fire. How did? Oh. I changed my avatar for some reason. I changed my avatar. I found I reported, but I did not block you, but I report for some reason. I found a gun. I, hello. Time to get the wood. How did you guys chop the big trees? Oh yeah, I can't get these wood. Well, I can friend you in the Roblox, the game itself. Let's go outside. Abandoned. Ooh, more ammo. Holy. I see. I see the deer. I'll go scared away. Scared of light. Haha. Okay, what is wrong with your eyes? What is wrong with the deer's eyes? Oops, that was wrong. Bam 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 bam. Okay, so guys, what do we do exactly? Hmm? The kid is over here. I'm going to get the missing child. Oh, there it is. Guys, I found the missing child already. Yeah. It's very near to the cat. There, done. Yeah. Can, can you come to the missing kids? Where's the key? Okay, that's it. OMG, what is that music? What is that music? I don't like that. I found the missing kid. I also found some food. Can I open the chest, please? I don't need the flashlight, but we need food. Guys, can you go to the missing kid then and get the rest of the food? Missing child has been rescued. Okay. Now I'm very hungry. Skip. What? Huh? Okay, follow me. Hmm. I don't see. I don't see any changes. Do you guys want to follow me to the missing kid then to get the rest of the meat? Because it's going to despawn. Okay. Do you know where it is? Chill, it's just over here. Don't worry, the deer doesn't spawn this far and we have to run from that wolf. Yeah. Here. It's here. Time to kill this wolf. Hey, hey. Done. You just died. Let's go. We have a lot of food. Okay. I'll get the logs. Nice. Why do I keep running? You collect it. You have the big sack. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, it's laggy. Dun 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 dun. Huh? What? No, I don't have one, but I need it. Is this me? Is it for me? Yippee! But I still don't have a good sack. Hey, there's a chest there. There are two towers next to each other. Yes, I already did. It's a good thing that the deer doesn't really spawn this far. Because I've already had many encounters with the deer, even though I've only survived around 27 days. Let's open the chest. What? You brought the basketball? I got a good sack. Okay, I'm coming back to the camp. My ears. Nice. Whee! now. Don't. Yeah, let's put this in the crafting table. Okay, now what? Guys, do you need a flashlight or you already have? Do you guys need flashlights? Okay, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. After you collect all of those woods. Huh? You found what? Dun, 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 dun. Da-da-da-da-dun, dun, 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 dun. I'll get a flashlight. Justin, do you already have a flashlight? Ethan, do you need a flashlight? Ethan, do you need a flashlight? Okay, because I thought you would ask. I thought you would need it. So here is a flashlight. I got it from the white tower over there. The brown tower. The brown tower equals chest. The white tower equals flashlights. I don't know why. Ah! Let's go. Low on food. Oh, there's some free wood here. Then go. There's no wolf anyway. Ah! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't have any more ammo. Stay on high ground. Okay, we know something is making our way to the campfire. What did you get? What did you get? Ethan, what did you get from the chest? Okay, let's defeat these cultists. We are overpowered together. With the power of friendship, we survive! What, seriously? Wow, you're like my friend. Who dies every time? No offense. Hey, 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 hey! This is a family friend. Okay, no, it's not. Sorry. Guys, what is your kill count? I only have two. Yeah, how many cultists did you kill? I only killed around three, I think. Attack. I'll just I'll be a signal for some reason. Oh, come on. Battery at the fire. What? Guys, can I build a rain storage? Okay. Rain storage. Where are you? Oh, why does the rain storage need metal if it's made out of completely wood? Please bring some metal because the rain storage needs metal. Oh, what? What? But where are you guys? I'll check the map. You guys are anywhere else. There's a chest right here. What do you mean? I found a chest. Night is approaching. Guys, I found a chest. Oh my gosh. Can I not move? A spear! Hmm? There's still some. I'll get some right now. Oh, come on, only one morsel. Don't put it in a bad place or what. Okay, we do not care if the ram is coming for us. The ram has woken up. What thing? The rain storage? Well, do you know where to put it? Just place it in the rock. I'm staying in here. Please. I'll be the light. Mm, okay, sure. It's already daytime anyway. Let's go. Let's find some scrap. Scrap. Oh, oh no. There was a wolf. Time to defeat the wolf. Ooh, scrap. What? What? I found the volcano biome. Oh, maybe I should not go there. There are scorpions. Oh my god. We don't have any bandages. Then where are you? Wait, I'll check the map. You're over there. Let's go revive Justin. We have to make it quick to the camp because yeah, it's approaching night already. You will not get close to me. Ah, there's an apple! There. Now take your stuff. I'm going to take the food. Okay, wait. We are in absolute danger because we're quite far from the camp, so I see it. Okay, we're here. I got some scrap. I already did. Okay, I guess this is all the scrap. 5 metal that small? Okay, wow. Ooh, a bunny foot. Whose is this? I think that's Ethan's. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I need food. I'm hungry. Okay, that's enough. Huh? The deer. Well, where are you? Why? There's nothing. Oh, carrot. A carrot. Eat. Eh? What? You're... Okay, now let's chop it down. Choppa, 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 choppa. Chop everything down. No, 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 no. There. That's it. Let's collect everything. Okay. Time to refill the campfire now. Oh, that's weak. Okay, fine. Oh yeah, true. Biofuel is just basically POO. Spear. Basketball. Oh, what the basketball? Basketball, come back here. We're going to put you here. Nice. Nietzsche. What is happening? Look like it's full. Put in the, it's full. It's full. There. Put it there. 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 Wood. Nice. Okay, let's also collect. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa. What? Okay, that's a no. No, not the rain. Rain is the enemy of the campfire. Oops. What? No, our wood is wet. Oh my gosh, this. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. When did that cultist get here? We are saving some fuel. But the log. It's full. I'm storing it. Actually, it's full here. Oh my god. Oh. There. Dun 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 dun. Boost pad. What is that? Oh. Ah! I'm boost. Hee 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 hee. Make a run for it. Just kidding. I don't want to go back, please. My ears. Uh, why is a deer there? You are provoking to be in our territory. Haha. Scripto. Then make it. What is that a crafting table? Oh, come on. Can there be any better way to... Oh my... Okay, whatever. At least we have a RAM storage. No! Don't fall out! Need to make it quick. Like... Ah! Ow! 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 Ouch, ouch, owie, ow. That was painful. I got struck by thunder. Ow! Guys, please help me. I'm gonna die. Ow! 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 I'm dying. Please. Thank you. Oh, that was so terrifying. Let's grab some wood. Dun 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 dun. Okay, let's refill the campfire to how it was before. That's enough. It's already have been 37 minutes. Oh, come on. Why now? Don't worry, I have a spear. Guys, let's go onto high ground. Maybe that'll be better. Maybe not. There's okay. We know there's something coming for us. Signal! 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 Mm. Oh, come on. Why am I hungry? No! Ouch! Ah! Help me. Okay. Was that a fart sound? Wait. Come on, cultist, face us. If there's any cultists anymore. What? How dare you invade our territory? You may die now. Ooh, ooh, we cannot get it from over here. Defeat, 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 defeat. There. And we got a cultist gem. Oh my. That is a lot of trees. Ethan, I don't think I don't think you can post the video because it's already 39 minutes. Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Give me the coins. Ethan is causing mass deforestation in one place. Okay. Don't worry, we still have wood anyway. Dun, 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 dun. What? Again? Oops, that was wrong. Justin! Wait, we'll get you tomorrow. Ball. Okay, can you not make that sound? Whatever is. Oh, come on, not again. Ethan, we have to get wood. 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 Okay. I'm storing some wood in my sack. Right now, really. Right now. Oh, come. Can you not go up there? It's your turn to get it now, since I already been struck by lightning already 3 times. Get the wood from here. Oh, come on. Okay, let's refill them. Refill the fire right now. Okay, let's make poop. Wait, Eden, hear the sound. Hear the sound. Hear the sound. Hear the sound. Since we have since we have biofuel, we don't need to get wood anymore. Miso mahat. Yeah. Ow! Why me? Why did the thunder attack me? That's not fair. Can that not do that? Hey, store. Cute little bunny, I'm going to store your brother. Bum bum bam 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 bombastic. I'm feeling hungry in real life. Guys, it's almost have been 1 hour. It's 44 minutes for me. Okay, Ethan, I unblocked you. Ethan, I unblocked you. Except Ethan is going for you. I'll do it. I'll revive him then. Revive Justin! Finally, there. That was very long. Let's see what are in these thingies. Chest! Give me the chest! Chest. A gem. Another chest. A medkit. Another good axe. Okay, I don't need that one. Oh gosh. There's a dead cultist here. And I see some coal. Do any other of you guys hear wow. Night is approaching, we better go. I reached a new record. Day 32. How surprising. Whose flashlight is this? I hear some poopy. I hear some poopy dookie. We need biofuel. What is wrong with you? Can I, can I make biofuel with biofuel? Nice. This is biofuel number 2. Oh, come on! Not again!